Hello everybody. Today review Squirrel Mark review Keytion mechanical keyboard feature HT7 keys, Bluetooth or Wi and more. Keytion is a new gaming mechanical keyboard offering HT7 keys and connectivity via either a USB-C wire connection or wirelessly using Bluetooth 2.4 GHz equipped with zero-run optical switch, PBT keycap, and RGB backlighting. The mechanical keyboard is available to back from Kickstarter. Backer earbud blades are now available for the innovative project from Raleigh. $59 or 43 pounds depending on current exchange rate, offering a considerable discount of approximately 40% of the final retail price. While the Kickstarter crowdfunding is underway, if the Keytion campaign successfully rises, it requires Blazer Gun and fulfillment progresses smoothly. Worldwide shipping is expected to take place sometime around November 2021. To learn more about the Keytion mechanical keyboard project, play the promotional video below. The Keytion mechanical keyboard adapt space-saving 10 kilowatt design, coordinating with Gateron switch and PBT keycap. Departures from Jordan is here. Than ever with RGB lighting and chip mode. Connectivity is easily passed with up for divide at 1, 2, 10 cái máy. Productivity and ease of use. Keytion is ready for any setting. The popular H7 key position makes it smaller and lighter than the traditional 104 keyboard. It still maintains the around keys for you to perform more easily, save space and outline. The perfect configuration. Keytion support Bluetooth 5.0, 1.4 GHz, wireless and USB-C wide connection transmission, which can be easily switched among these three modes. And meet river needs of entertainment and what else well now sweet brand Keytion bring user unique feeling when touching the keycap on key on mechanical keyboard. Support hot swap and you can change different sub by themselves. To find them out comfortable. Input as parent according to it user different requirement. We provide red and blue switch option that customers can choose what they prefer. Blue switch is more suitable for people All lie loud, sound and strong. Mechanical feel red and sweet is better though. Who prefer louder sound and live feel for complete list up on available. Project Blazer Gun Media and specification for the mechanical keyboard. Jump over to the official Keytion crowdfunding campaign by checking out the link below. Today review the end. Bye bye everybody. See you again tomorrow. Bye bye.